What is Skills USA? A partnership of students, teachers, and industry working together to prepare today's youth for tomorrow's workforce. With more than 300,000 members nationwide and nearing 60 members at the Rockdale Career Academy, your opportunities have just begun.
Skills USA is a student-based technology association where we teach leadership skills as well as work-related activities so that students will have an opportunity to advance after they leave high school.
It's definitely made me who I am today. If I did not compete in Skills USA and go off to state and nationals, I don't think that I would have the courage, the ability to go out into this industry, broadcast news, and try to fulfill my goals. And so I honestly think that Skills USA gave me the courage to go out there and put myself in front of anyone to achieve everything I've dreamed of.
It's your time to rise up in fields of technology, communications, healthcare, culinary arts, architecture, construction, automotive, and public safety. Become the men and women who build America. You can become the nation's brightest. Just imagine how far you'll go. With 91 competitions and over 1,500 judges, the time and place for you is right here and right now.
It's given me a lot of responsibility that I never had before. It's taught me a lot of working skills, and it's just given me another family to lean on.
Skills USA has prepared me for the world of work.
You'll have the opportunities to explore your possibilities. Chances to learn the soft skills to support the hard skills you already have. Expand your horizon by challenging yourself to a leadership competition. Make new friends at the state conference. Get involved with local officials to bridge the gap between school and industry. Go on chapter social outings to become one with the team. And set the standards for your future.
What I really like about Skills USA is not only is it fun, it's a great learning experience. Gotten a lot of leadership skills, work skills, stuff like that. And it's all around just a great extracurricular activity.
Are you dedicated, motivated, and ready to be involved? Do you want to be respected and connected to industry? Are you ready to be a champion at work?